Hello students, welcome back. Now today we will deal with the reflection, which is one of the topic of ICSE maths. Now in this reflection you have three types of reflection of the points. One, reflection of points through x-axis, reflection of points through y-axis and reflection of points through origin. So first we will deal with the reflection of the points through x-axis, y-axis and origin, and then we will solve few sums based on this. So let's start. Now students, first draw the coordinate axis, x-axis, then y-axis, write the points on the positive part of x-axis, then on the negative part of x-axis, positive part of y-axis, negative part of y-axis. Now A, its reflection is -4, -2. Reflection of B is 3, -1. Reflection of C is 0, -2. So what we have observed, when we reflect through x-axis, the sign of the y coordinate changes. Now same way again draw the coordinate axis. Now we will deal with the reflection through y-axis. So for reflection through y-axis, the points get reflect from left to right or from right to left. Now first draw the coordinate axis. Write the numbers on that. Coordinates. Now just look. Same A point on reflection through y-axis gives you 4, 2. Same B will give you -3, -3, 1. C 4, 0. Same way D will give you -2, -2. So what we have observed, reflection through y-axis, the sign of x coordinate changes. This thing you have to keep in mind. Now deal with the other part of reflection. Now reflection through origin. Same way, first draw the coordinate axis. X axis, y axis. Now through reflection through origin, from the first quadrant, point get reflected to third quadrant, and from second quadrant it get reflected to the fourth quadrant. So just see the A point. On reflection it gives 4, -2. Same way B point on reflection gives, yes, -3, -1. C will give you 2, -1. Same way D will give you, yes, -2, 2. So what we have observed, during the reflection through origin, the sign of both the coordinates changes. So this concept you have to keep in mind while solving the sums. Now students, solve the first sum. Plot points A 0, 3, B 3, -2, O 0, 0, that's an origin, and form triangle ABO by taking scale 2 cm equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Plot point D, the reflection of B in the y-axis, and write its coordinates. Give the geometrical name of the figure ABOD and write the equation of the line of symmetry of the figure. Now see, scale 2 cm equal to 1 unit is given. So compulsory 2 cm you have to take. In the following graph, I have taken the 2 cm graph. So based on that, you have to also solve. Now D is a reflection through y-axis. So its sign of x coordinate changes. And geometrical name, you have to join the figure, write the geometrical name, then equation which divides the given figure into two equal parts. Now let's solve. First draw the coordinate axis as usual, x axis, y axis. Then after writing the coordinates, we have to first plot the points. First let's write the coordinates on the axis. Now plot the point A 0, 3, B 3 comma minus 2. Origin. D is the reflection along y-axis. So see, its x coordinate has changed. Now join the figure. The figure has 4 sides. So it is a quadrilateral. So you can write kite, arrow, 4-sided, closed figure, quadrilateral. Now y-axis divided into 2 equal parts. So either you can write y-axis, and you know the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. So you can write x equal to 0. Now student, let's solve the second sum. Now by taking scale 2 cm equal to 1 unit on both the axes, plot the points A 3, 2, B minus 3, minus 2. Now A will be in the first quadrant, B both the coordinates are negative, so it will be in third quadrant. Then what is asked? From A and B, draw perpendiculars AM and BN on x-axis. Now A is in the first quadrant, so AM is in the positive part. It will touch the x-axis. Then write the coordinates of M. Then B is in the third quadrant. So from there you will draw from the third quadrant till negative part of the x-axis. Then join AMBN and write its geometrical name. Also, it is asked to find the area of the figure AMBN. So let's first draw the coordinate axis. Now same way you have to draw the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. Write the coordinates on the right hand side of the x-axis. Then on the left hand side of the x-axis, above the x-axis, below the x-axis, on the y-axis. Now A will be in the first quadrant, B will be in the third quadrant. From A, when you draw the perpendicular, the coordinate of M will be 3, 0. When you draw perpendicular from B, coordinate of N is minus 3, 0. Join this, you are getting a quadrilateral. Now area. I have shaded the triangle. Its base is 6 unit. Height is 2 unit. 2 triangles are there. So the area will be 2 into half into 6 into 2. So 12 square units. Now it's a parallelogram. Thanks for watching this video, students. Now further part of the reflection we will see in the next video. Till then,